Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to self-cast abilities by double-tapping it in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client, and then on the top left side of your screen, you'll see a gear icon, which is your settings menu. Click on it. Once you're in the settings menu, go to options by clicking here. Now under game, you'll see an option called double tap ability to self-cast. Select the box right next to it, and now you should be able to self-cast abilities by double tapping it. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!